popular chart type is the bar chart. So you'll see we've got some data here. I'm going to highlight it, say insert. And over here, you'll see we've got something called a bar chart. So I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to say 2D. And we'll look here. So this is currently showing it like that. Now perhaps earlier we indicated if you don't like what it's looking like, don't change the data to try and get it right. One of the first things we try is go to your design, and you'll see this switch row and columns, and I'm going to click on it, and maybe that's better because I want the time series on this axis and the colors must indicate the destination network. A bar chart is very similar to a column chart, so you can do most of the things that are relevant there. The one thing that we do find we do a lot on a bar chart is we find that the sequence of this doesn't seem right to us. We don't want to go January, February, March, not upwards. I want to go the other way. Again, don't change the data around. Click on that axis. Go find it. And you'll see we can put the categories in reverse order. When I click on it, it does that, January, February, March, so that's better. If, however, you don't want the axes to come up here, I can click on this. And again, what we're going to do is tell the labels. Now you'll see it's set to next to axis. Now because we've switched this already, you'll discover that if I try high, it actually goes to the opposite side. So normally low would have got you to the other side, but because of what we've done here, it's now high. So if you try something and it doesn't work, just try the exact opposite. You may find that it actually works.